Namaskar. Hello everybody. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are taking very good care of yourselves and your family members and your loved and near and dear ones. Please be safe. Take care of yourselves. So this is Anita Ajay Pai, your tarot card reader from Mumbai. Back again with another spread for the week starting from the 7th June 2020 to the 13th June 2020. So as you all know the trick, I have got three different groups. Group number 1 is rose quartz, group number 2 is carnelian, and group number 3 is lemon quartz. So these are the beautiful angels. You can connect with them. You can just pause the video for a second, connect, meditate, and connect with any of the angels you feel like. And whichever you go ahead with, whichever you connect with, please look at the time stats at the description box. Fast forward the video and have a look at it. Okay, so let's start. Let's know what's there in the store for you guys this week. Okay, the group number 1, pink quartz. So what I decided today was, let's do a reading based on the 4 basic needs. This stands for the money and the career. This is for your family. This is for your health, and this card is for your general readings of the week. So let's see, how is your money and career? Wow, this week will bring you a lot of happiness with respect to your money and career. You guys are safe. It's going to be a lot of understanding and friendly approach. So your money and your career both are in safe hands. Next, your family. Okay, there's some issues with your family. Please be careful in what you're talking to them and how you're behaving with them. Don't give away your frustrations to them, or neither attract their frustrations onto yourselves. Be very careful in managing and talking and behaving yourselves with whenever you're with your family members. So it could be immediate family member, it could be a distant relative, it could be anybody, but somebody who belongs to a family who you think is a family might be a little irritated mood, so just be a little careful. This is your health. Your health is really good. You have amazing health going on, so nothing to worry much about it. Stay fit. Do exercises and do meditations as much as possible in the house. You don't have to go to a gym to do the gymming. You can do the gymming, or you can do the yoga right in the house. It's very much possible. So you just need the will to do it. The more you get the will, the better will be the health. So your health is also good. In general, the cards, okay, so whatever you have decided to take up any good option, or to in case you are looking for a job and you're getting any in offer or something like that, you have to just grab it. Do not postpone anything. That's what I would suggest here, because my intuition says very clearly that you don't have to postpone your commitments. Whatever is in running in your mind and all of it, just go for it. And in general, I would say do not postpone or procrastinate anything. Just attend to it immediately and deal with it and finish it off. This is what I would say. So your money is good, family you need to take care, your health is also good. In general, do not procrastinate or postpone things. And let's see. Oh, Goddess is giving you an amazing message. So these messages are from oracle cards, and I picked it up from Goddess guidance cards. So this card is very clearly talking about fertility. So as this is connecting with this message, so it's a good time, it's a perfect time for you to start new projects, access new ideas, and give birth to new conditions. So this is very clear that do not postpone any of your commitments. Just attend to it, because it's the right time to get the things done. Alright, so my dear friends, whoever selected rose quartz, you just one single message, just be a little careful whenever you are with your family. Do not attract their negative energies, or do not give your negative energies to them. Alright then, thank you so much. Take care. Have a lovely week. Okay, here we come with the group number 2, the Carnelian Angel. What's there in the store for you guys? So let's see. Okay, so this is your money and career. This is your family, health, and the general card. The money and career, you need to have lot of courage. If you can see, if you can clearly notice this particular card, it is having a flower blossomed from the rock. So that means it's very clear that you need to hold on to yourself. Do not lose hope. The God is there. He will take care. I'm sure you're going through real tough times, but if you maintain the courage, if you maintain that willpower, if you have that do not let go attitude, you will surely overcome the situations. Your money will be taken care of, your career will be taken care of. Just have faith, trust, and courage to face the situations, and believe in God and believe in yourself above everything. If you do not trust yourself, if you do not have that willpower, no one can do anything to you. So just trust yourself and have that courage, and things will be attended pretty well. Okay, your family is going to be a good support. They are going to really be there for you every now and then. Whenever there is a problem, they're going to be there and they're going to take care of you. So family life is pretty good, nothing to bother about it. Your health, wow, your health is also very nice. So continue your workouts, continue whatever you're doing. I would just say do not indulge in overeating and things like that. Just ask your body, hey body, do you wish to eat this? Hey body, do you wish to work out now? So these kind of talk to your body like you're talking to your best friend, or you're talking to a family member or a loved one or a near one, and that will really give you an insight to maintain your health even more better. So here I would just say, as usual, please meditate as much as possible. At least spend 2 minutes of silence every day meditating. It will really give you a different boost. So your health is also very good. In general, oh wow, so in general the card is very good. You are knowledgeable, you have the money, you have all the abilities, all the capabilities, you have all the assets within you. You can just ask for it. You have to just explore yourself. The more you explore yourself, the more you understand yourself, the more you introspect yourself, and the more you push yourself hard, the better it is for you. You will definitely get a lot of abundance this week in every aspect. When I say abundance this week, don't expect only money as a factor, but abundance in health, abundance in the family life, abundance in your career, abundance in your thought process, abundance in every single thing. Okay, so do not relate abundance only to money. Abundance can be in anything. And let's see what Goddess guidance cards have to say. Wow, this is such amazing. So this definitely syncs with this generic card. The Goddess says you have divine knowledge that can help others through your spiritual teaching. So in case you people, whoever are watching, in case you are not spiritual, or in case you are not healers or not into any kind of spirituality and things like that, don't worry what kind of a card has come out for you. It's nothing like that. No matter who you are, the truth is all of us have some part of spirituality within us. It's just that we have to explore it. The moment we start realizing what spirituality is for us, that truth is enough for us to guide or convey to the people around, and let them just hear you out. If they like the philosophy, they would go ahead with it. If they don't like it, it's fine. You can always follow your philosophy. You don't need any validation from another person to prove what philosophy you're following is right or wrong, because everybody has their own way of living life, and we are nobody to judge anyone, right? So just focus on yourself. Try to get more and more abundance of knowledge, abundance of every single thing, and introspect yourself, and please indulge a little more in meditation. Involve yourself in mindfulness if possible, and that will really boost your week pretty well. Thank you so much. Have a lovely week. Alright, the final group, that is lemon squats. Let's see what's there in the store for you guys. This will be your money and career. This will be your family. This is going to be your health, and this is going to be the general card. Okay, so trust the universe, trust yourself, and trust the process, and you will definitely have good money and good career. Do not let yourself down, or do not get bogged down by whatever is happening around. Everything, whatever happens for a reason. Just acknowledge it and trust the universe that something better is coming your way in every decision you take. So just trust. Family, okay, so there is, I see some problems between you and your family. So if there is somebody who is not giving you that attention, if there is somebody whom you are not willing to talk to, or if there is some kind of, I feel there is some kind of a wall amongst the family members and you, I would sincerely request to break the ice. Please go ahead and share. It's perfectly fine. Do not let your ego ruin the beautiful relationship you have with the family. Do not let your ego come in between. Do not let your judgments, do not let your points of views come in between, because they are only distracting you from being the true you. So I sincerely request, in case you are holding yourself from something just because of ego or judgments or anything, or any resentments, please let go of them, and trust me, family is everything. So be with the family and let go, forgive, ask for forgiveness, because that's how life has to go on. So anything, you have to break the ice. That's what I see in the card. Your health, okay, I feel that because of your family issues, your health is also affected. Your health is not in a good state. Please take care of your health. The more judgments you carry, the more ego you carry, the more jealousy you carry, the more enmity, resentments you carry, the worse will be your health. Because all the emotions, every emotion, when it is going beyond, or any excessive emotion, will definitely lead to a bad health. So I sincerely request you to just watch out on your emotions, control your emotions, bring them to a still state where you can have a better health. Focus on what is better for you, rather than bringing out your judgments and ego. Please take care of your health. In general, the message here is, you need to look beyond illusion. You need to see beyond illusion. Whatever dreamy world you are in currently, whatever points of views or judgments you're carrying about yourselves, or whatever you have decided that this is the life, this is going to happen, and this is how it's going to be, please break them apart. Because there is something much more than what you are thinking or what you are saying. You have to be a little more visionary, a little more imaginative. And in case you're not able to see anything beyond illusion, I would request you to ask your ascended master or your angels or the divine power, if you believe in. Ask them to help you. They will really help you, and they'll assist you on how to see beyond illusion, because there is all possibilities that you can just sit, introspect, and see whatever is possible with your life, or how you can reach up to a different level. And whatever is happening, you do not have to go and dissect that thing. Whatever is happening is just happening, but what you want to happen, you can always create that reality, and you can create that reality by seeing beyond illusion. Let's see what message is the goddess giving. Oh wow, so goddess is giving you, asking you to be bold. Unleash your adventurous sides, take risk and be daring. This is what the goddess is saying. So again, if I have to repeat about just brief, it's very clear. Trust yourself, break the ice with your family, do not carry any resentments, or do not carry any points of views or judgments or ego with your family. Once you do that, your health will take care, and once your health starts getting well, or even if you want the health to get well, then you need to start meditating and seek help from the goddesses or the divine angels or divine, to see beyond illusion and take bold steps. Please be ready to take risk, and it'll really help you to have a very, very good week and a good month ahead. Thank you so much. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.